Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to program your Tesla Model S garage door opener. It's a straightforward process that allows your vehicle to seamlessly control your garage. Your Tesla's HomeLink system can manage up to 3 different radio frequency devices, like garage doors or gates. Before we begin, please make sure your garage door remote control has a new, healthy battery for the best signal transmission. To start, park your Tesla Model S directly in front of your garage door, ensuring the front bumper is facing it. Next, on your vehicle's large touchscreen, locate and press the small house-shaped HomeLink icon at the very top. Then, select Create HomeLink and choose the transmit mode that matches your garage door opener, typically standard mode for most remotes. Now exit your Tesla with your garage remote in hand. Stand in front of the car and point your remote at the Tesla emblem on the front bumper. Press and hold the remote's button. Keep holding it until your Tesla's headlights flash, which confirms the signal is recorded. Immediately after, go to your garage door opener unit and press its Learn or Smart button, usually a small colored button. After pressing the Learn button on your garage opener, quickly return to your Tesla and tap Continue on the touchscreen within about 30 seconds. Then, press the name of your newly programmed HomeLink device on the screen 2 times. This finalizes the training. Once complete, save your settings. You can now test your Tesla's HomeLink to ensure your garage door opens and closes as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.